There's a look women give, a softening of their gaze, the kind of look that says, I want him, not because you said the right thing, and not because you chased, but because she felt something when she looked at you. In this session, we awaken that feeling, that primal, biological pull she experiences when you walk into the room. Not a nice guy vibe, not a needy pick me energy, but the energy of a man who owns himself, who leads without asking, whose presence invites surrender. This is not about tricks. This is not about pretending. This is about remembering who you are and letting her feel it without you saying a word. And the more you listen to this, the more it locks in. This is designed to rewire your subconscious mind, to imprint new signals of confidence, power, and sexual magnetism. Every time you come back to this audio, the results go deeper. You'll begin to notice subtle changes in your posture, tone, gaze, and energy, until everything about you screams, she wants me. And if you want this experience made just for you, with your name and your energy and so forth, feel free to leave a comment down below. Alternatively, I've got more hypnotic audios recorded. Just find them in the playlist linked in the description of this video. But right now, it's time to awaken raw attraction, to activate the part of you that makes women crave you. Close your eyes. Take a breath in and surrender to the man you're about to become. Let's begin by slowing your body down. This process starts with the breath. Inhale through the nose. Feel your chest rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go. Again, in, hold it, and release. Feel your jaw unclench, shoulders drop, hands relax. With every breath, tension melts away. Your eyes are closed now, and even behind those lids, you feel your mind softening. Thoughts float like clouds. There's no rush, no pressure, just your body slowing down, your mind opening, and your awareness dropping deep. Picture a soft wave washing over you from head to toe. First, your scalp and face, your neck, your shoulders and chest. Each breath sends it further. Down your arms, down your back, into your belly, your hips, your legs, and finally into your feet. You are here, present, open, ready to drop deeper. Now, imagine you're standing in front of a mirror. But this is no ordinary mirror. This mirror shows you as she sees you, not with judgment, not filtered through insecurity, but through her eyes, the eyes of feminine instinct. You see a man who is deeply attractive, calm, rooted, quietly powerful. You're not trying to be liked. You're not hoping for validation. You know who you are, and that knowing pulls her in. You begin to walk forward, and the reflection walks with you. Step by step, you move into him. 10. His presence becomes yours. 9. His posture is your posture. 8. His sexual confidence fills you. 7. His breath is your breath. 6. Deeper. 5. Stronger. 4. Grounded. 3. Magic. Magnetic. 2. Irresistible. 1. You are him now. The man she wants. The man she feels in her body before you even speak. Hold this identity. Feel how it lives in your spine, your jaw, your chest. Your silence is now powerful, your gaze penetrating. You don't need to do anything more. Just be, and let her want you. Now, imagine you're walking down a street you know well. City sidewalk, casual flow. But today, something's different. You carry yourself like a man who doesn't seek approval, a man who already knows he's desired. Your shoulders are relaxed, but your chest is full. Your eyes don't scan for attention, they claim it when they land. And the women who pass feel it. You don't even need to look at them for their bodies to respond. They catch their breath, their skin tightens, their gaze lingers longer than they mean it to. You are exuding something they can't name, but their bodies recognize it instantly. Male energy, direction, confidence. You enter a cafe, the barista meets your eye and fumbles her words. The woman at the corner table watches you over her cup, biting her lip. You don't change pace, you don't perform, you just are. You radiate the vibe of a man who is chosen. Because you've already chosen yourself. Feel this version of you in detail. His breath, his stride, his quiet certainty in every move. Now become him fully. Let his way of being settle into your nervous system because from now on, she wants you. And she doesn't even know why. Let the words I'm about to say wash through you. You don't need to repeat them, just absorb them. Let them settle into your subconscious like seeds. With each repetition, you reprogram the way you see yourself and the way she responds to you. I radiate calm, grounded, masculine power. Women feel my energy before I speak. I move with certainty and direction. My presence creates raw attraction. I am magnetic without needing to chase. My silence carries sexual energy. My eyes hold her with dominance and desire. I am relaxed and unshakable. My voice is deep, slow, and resonant. I do not seek approval. I create desire. Women crave the energy I naturally give off. My energy is masculine, focused, and undeniable. Every cell in my body exudes confidence. She wants me because I am fully me. She craves what I am. Let these truths sink deeper now, as if you've always believed them, because they've always been true. You're just now stepping into them fully. Now imagine the energy you've been feeling expanding. With every breath, it grows. Inhale. Draw strength from deep in your belly. Exhale. Let that strength radiate outward. You are building a magnetic field, one that pulses 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet around you. Every step you take moves with this aura of dominance and desire. This field touches her. She walks past you and her breath catches. She looks back but doesn't know why. Her feminine body feels your masculine change, your charge. This is beyond logic, beyond game. It's biology. It's ancient. It's raw. You are now the man she feels in her body before she even hears your voice. Now, step out of yourself and drop into her awareness. You're now in the body of a woman, sensual, soft, aware. You walk into a space, a bar, a bookstore, a shared workspace. The details don't matter. What matters is that he's there. You feel him before you fully see him. Your skin tightens slightly. Your stomach flutters. Your breath catches almost like prey recognizing a predator. Then your eyes lock on him. He's not loud, he's not showing off, and he's not trying to impress anyone. And yet, you want him. Something in you The animal in you is awake. Your thighs tighten just from seeing him, the way he stands, the weight in his presence, the fire behind his stillness. It's not conscious, it's not logical, it's biological. You imagine what it would feel like to be led by him, held by him, taken by him. You ache for his approval, but no, he doesn't need yours. You want to be claimed. Now step back into your body and know she just experienced you. That version of you, the man who awakens desire without trying, is who you are now. She wants you not because you say the right thing, not because you're nice, but because your presence gives her permission to surrender to her deepest craving. Let that truth settle in your bones. You've now accessed the energy that pulls women in. That raw, grounded, unapologetic magnetism. Let's lock it in with a trigger. A short command phrase that instantly reactivates this state. Choose a phrase that feels powerful. She feels me. I am wanted. Magnetic now. Say it in your mind. Whisper it softly to yourself. Now again, firmer. Feel what happens in your body as you say it. Your spine straightens, your chest expands. Your breath slows. Your aura sharpens. This phrase is now your anchor. Use it in the mirror, before you approach a woman, before you enter a room. The more you use it, the more deeply your nervous system associates it with pure, raw attraction energy. She doesn't need to know the words, but she'll feel what they activate in you. Take a long, deep breath in and exhale slowly. You've just activated something ancient, something primal, the energy of a man who doesn't ask for attention. He commands it by his very presence. This is the version of you she craves. From now on, every room you enter, she feels you. The energy field you've built tonight continues to pulse even after this recording ends. And the more often you return to this hypnosis, the deeper the results will go. Repetition equals reprogramming. Reprogramming equals raw attraction without effort. If you want a private version just for yourself, leave a comment down in the comment section of this video, but for now I want you to return to your body. Calm, magnetic, fully awake to the truth that she wants you, because now you've remembered who you are. Thank you.